What up guys, it's Chris with Barbeque. Now I'm not doing a full feature-length video today, but instead what you're getting is the very first pop the cap tip. Get it? Bottle cap, pop a cap, yeah you get it. Now not every day has to be a full barbecue meal. Sometimes you just gotta lay low, kick back, chill, and do some mac and cheese. But we're still gonna put a spin on it, so it's not just your everyday mac and cheese, but it is truly delicious barbecue. So let me show you how I do it. The first thing you want to do while the water is coming up to a boil, get some of these. That's right, bouillon cubes. Now you can use the Better Than Bouillon or any of the powder stuff. Just the everyday bouillon cubes is all you need. So for the barbecue flavor that I'm going with, I'm going to use some beef, but you can use pork, chicken, vegetable, whatever you want. Important thing is to add flavor to the water. That way it's just not boring old water with a little bit of salt. It has the extra kick of flavor. Okay, so the next tip comes after you've cooked the macaroni and you've already poured out that delicious powdery goodness. Yeah. Next step is add your favorite barbecue sauce. Now I'm going to be adding this candy apple barbecue sauce I made in a video, which I'll link up above right now. Basically just take what your favorite barbecue sauce and just add about that much. I'm saying maybe about a quarter cup, but use whatever sauce you want. And mix it in. And as if the barbecue sauce wasn't enough, I'm going to add just a little bit of one of my favorite rubs. This is the Luton Booty Everything Rub. This is just going to add a nice, classic, smoky barbecue flavor to it. Just a little bit, not too much. And again, use whatever rub you have on hand. And there it is, guys. Your first Pop a Cap tip. Basically how to turn a regular old mac and cheese out of the box into a fantastic barbecue meal. But you don't have to do what I did. You don't have to use the beef and barbecue. Use chicken or vegetable and put in some chilies like Anaheim's or Poblanos that have that little mild southwestern flavor. Or if you really want to spice it up, use some jalapenos or habaneros. That really kick up the spice. Or even on Italian night, throw in some vegetable cubes and then throw in some salt, pepper, garlic, or even some Parmesan cheese on top. The possibilities are endless. Important thing to remember is don't just take what they give you in that little powder. Get creative with it and have fun. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit, subscribe down below. And no matter what, just let me know how you're liking things. And let me know what you got grilling. See you guys.